Hi, my name is Rich Eiler, and I'm with the NorthPoint Group. Today I'm going to spend less than 10 minutes providing an overview of a software product that enables an enterprise to increase the value received from a shared services organization. The product is called Shared Services Value Analysis, and via a collaborative process, the software and database is used to identify concerns, issues, root causes of the issues, and improvement opportunities to increase the value realized from a shared services organization. Once again, the software and database contain the fundamental business activities and supporting steps, tasks, and processes that are weighted in terms of importance and impact on the success of the relationship and drive the most value. This is accomplished by providing a strategic governance framework to provide that alignment between the services model and the business model. Second, enhance business model and service model understanding and communication. Third, drive cultural change through collaboration. Fourth, identify the business risks and value opportunities via an objective assessment with the analytics to identify the root cause of performance impediments. And finally, accurately identify the service performance compared to best in class. So that's the strategic governance framework. It's also accomplished by identifying the unmet and unidentified needs. To identify innovation opportunities in the process to measure and deliver them, transform business processes to be resilient, and improve the identification of the required data, information, and knowledge to support the precision of decisions and the operational implementation of the strategies. Obviously, customer success defines the value. The following statistics are based on over 30 uses of the Shared Services Value Analysis solution. Improves security on average by 26%. Improves business processes by 19%, of which it's supported by a 26% reduction in costs and a 28 to 30% improvement in organizational KEP, K-E-P, what we refer to as knowledge, experience, and performance. So if you think about any initiative that you're doing, you need to have the knowledge, you need to have the experience, and the organization needs to have performed before. If you're missing or have risk associated with any of those three, then the value is going to be impacted by the loss of one or more of those. It improves the accuracy of the data and what it represents. 23% improvement in common data definitions and an 18% improvement in data accuracy. Significantly increase the number of irritants and issues identified and increase the launch of initiatives to address those issues and irritants. Improved communications scoring by both organizations by over 50%. The ROI for the improvements made to the shared services arrangement ranged from 22 to 26%. And finally, improves the value propositions. Why are we doing this of the shared services entity by over 27%? So you ask, how does this work? The assessment is delivered quickly, less than a day, so it is non-intrusive to both organizations. Is delivered in a collaborative session with key stakeholders, the users of the shared services organization, as well as the shared services customers. Now, the sessions can be run separately or jointly. On this slide, you can see we have them separated. So initially, you may want to run separate sessions for the customer organization and then the shared services organization. Regardless, participants score the weighted fundamental business activities and supporting steps, tasks, and processes on a consensus basis. In this case, the 140 plus statements contain the DNA of successful shared services organizations. The weights on each statement enable the ability to accurately assess the value. The collaborative session enables the dialogue required to uncover the root cause of issues, as well as opportunities and buy-in from the organization that enables the speed to address the issues and opportunities. The statements in the software are prescriptive in nature, meaning the knowledge-based they define what needs to be addressed and how. They're predictive in nature in identifying the value with a very high level of accuracy, 90-some%. The structure and sequence of the statements, meaning there's a triangulation process for accuracy. The process is repeatable as risks seep, leap, and creep into the business and to the shared services organization. This process enables continuous monitoring of potential risk and reward opportunities. And the outcomes of the session are compared to the best-in-class database of other shared services organizations. And the analytical output can be part of any quarterly measurement meetings. So now that my team has participated in the session, what are the next steps? We compare the scored statements to the database of other shared services organizations by industry if desired, and we identify the following. The areas of greatest opportunity for improvement, they could be innovation opportunities, and risk. Irritants to be addressed before they become issues. The gaps in performance and expectations between the shared services organization and the enterprise. We generate management, technology, and communication indexes, the three major areas of risk. We make available the scoring of the 14 categories of the performance metrics that are then decomposed to define the root cause. So there are 14 major categories that we look at that are underneath the three, meaning technology, communications, and management. And then remember, each statement is scored as well. We make available all of those. We also identify, once again, what we call KEP, knowledge and experience and performance of the shared services team and organization, and when that KEP is required, having it at the right time, at the right place, and in the right level of detail. We also uncover the unmet and unidentified needs of the business, the missing fundamental business activities in the supporting steps, tasks, and processes, and or poorly executed what we call FBAs and STPs. And finally, a prioritized go-forward action plan based on the return on investment impact. This concludes our overview of the Shared Services Value Analysis product. If you have any questions on this product or any of our solutions, please visit our website, www.thenorthpointgroup.net, or contact any of our associates. On behalf of the NorthPoint Group employees, we thank you for your interest.